We know internally that in order for it to go into the commercial industrial application where you're running lights at a minimum of 8 hours a day and more often than not 12 to 24 hours a day, you need good thermal management on that product. Okay? You're going to eliminate almost everything that's $2 a watt and under. Any manufacturer out there putting product out the door that's under $2 a watt, and there's a lot of them, there's about 100,000 of them over in China and Taiwan and Korea right now, importing container loads of product into the US. Those fixtures, your longevity on them, your power supply is going to burn up early, it's going to overheat, your diodes are going to fail prematurely because they're going to overheat, and over time, that fixture that says 80,000 hours on the box is probably going to get you 20,000 hours, because what they didn't tell you was it's 80,000 hours of 4 hours a day. So then we typically deal in the middle to upper end of the market for most of our clients, because commercial industrial facilities, you need them to operate, and changing light fixtures, especially if you're going to spend the money on LED, the whole purpose is to get rid of the maintenance side of the equation. So middle of the road, you're going to look at tier 2 and so you got tier 3, which is the bottom of the barrel stuff. You got tier 2, which is middle of the road. There's some really crappy tier 2s and some really good tier 2s. And then you've got your tier 1s, which almost all the tier 1s are high quality products. So the Hubbles of the world, the Acuities of the world, the LSIs of the world, most of your North American manufactured companies that spend all the time to list their products here in the US and get everything pushed through the testing here, where the requirements are more significant, those fixtures, considered an insurance policy, those are our best lasting fixtures. So in the 8 years we've been in business, if I take Hubble and Acuity, we've got a failure rate of under 2%. Hubble owns 28 lines of lighting, Acuity owns 14 lines of lighting as far as brand names go. You probably have one of those or the other in your building. You may not even know that Hubble owns them or Acuity owns them, but Acuity owns Lithonia and Holophane are your two big names that Acuity owns, and then Hubble has everything from the Hubble outdoor line itself to the Columbia lighting to their Kim lighting to Prescolite to light control. I mean, we go down the list, a wide variety. And more of that is look and feel, as far as, this particular brand attacks the architectural market, this particular brand attacks the industrial market, this particular brand. If you care what the fixture looks like aesthetically, we've got a different line to go. So we've got a book this thick of every fixture that Hubble makes. We can flip through it if you want. We can go through and start looking at things that you think might be aesthetically in your wheelhouse. And then form and function, I know which ones are the best performing ones, so we can chat through form versus functionality of the product as we go through. So price points follow. I tell everybody, the market is so big and there's so much of this stuff being sold that the price point that these manufacturers are hitting are put together by people way more intelligent than me that know that this is what this fixture is worth on the market and they're going to sell it. If they weren't, they wouldn't be manufacturing it.